The Cozy Castle Fireplace TV stand is a sleek and modern piece of furniture that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your living space but also provides practical features to make your home cozier. With its electric fireplace, high-gloss design, LED backlight, and easy installation, this TV stand stands out as a versatile and attractive option for homes seeking both style and functionality. The standout feature of this TV stand is its 30-inch wide electric fireplace, offering 750-watt and 1500-watt modes for customizable warmth and energy efficiency. With a powerful 4,800 BTU heat output, it efficiently heats up to 400 square feet, providing a supplemental zone heating option. The ETL certificate approval ensures safety and peace of mind for users. Designed with a high-gloss modern style, the TV Entertainment Center adds a technological touch to your home. The minimalist design not only creates a unique viewing and gaming experience but also makes cleaning a breeze. The overall dimensions of 14.4-inch wide into 65.6-inch length into 18.5-inch height make it suitable for TVs up to 75 inches. The LED backlight feature is a standout addition, offering 12 lighting colors and 3 flame colors to create different ambience options in your living room. The adjustable brightness of the flame enhances the immersive TV viewing or video game experience, transforming your home into a personal theater. Moreover, the TV stand is CARB Phase 2 compliant, adhering to the national standards set by the California Air Resources Board to reduce formaldehyde emissions. With formaldehyde emission below 0.09 ppm, it is suitable for families with children and pets, ensuring a healthy living environment. Installation is made easy with detailed instructions, and the Cozy Castle team provides year-round support for any queries or concerns. It's worth noting that the TV stand arrives in 2 packages, so it's essential to check for all parts before installation. Whether you're looking to stay warm in winter, enhance your home's ambience, or enjoy an immersive entertainment experience, this TV stand is a reliable and stylish companion for your living space.